Motorcycles have been an exciting part of my life since childhood. Pushing the limits of man or machine off-road, exploring mountains on adventure bikes, or carving lines on the asphalt. Whatever the discipline, the thrill is always present, even after 30 years. Motorcycles have an amazing ability to take me to my happy place, and it's become my way of life. I'm from the UK, I've ridden and raced all over the world. I now live in the south of Spain and I love riding Husqvarna motorcycles. Adventure is about exploration, road or off-road, enjoying the riding, the sights and the challenges along the way. At home, I use the Northern 901 as my daily ride. Going for my morning coffee, riding to work, or even exploring the Spanish countryside, alone or with my family. The Northern has also taken me on international adventures, all over Europe, Australia, Africa, and even Iceland. Off-road is where I really push myself to my limits, and sometimes even beyond. Still to this day, I find myself succeeding on terrains I once thought never possible. I love to train on the enduro bike. Being outdoors on two wheels will always take priority over the four walls of the gymnasium. The key is to never stop learning. Always keep trying new things because there's always room for improvement. I call it training the muscles of happiness. Riding as often as I do, there's always plenty to do in the workshop. I love preparing my own bikes. It helps me to connect with them and get to know them better. A little bit like spending time with new friends. Supermoto brings sharpness and accuracy. Razor handling on the street or the track. With the ability to handle rough roads and even a little bit of dirt. And it's always a lot of fun. I enjoy spinning laps on the track, flicking from curb to curb, sliding into corners and riding on one wheel. And then to ride home, the versatility of this bike is incredible. My passion for riding motorcycles led me to race the Dakar Rally 3 times and ride around the world solo for 5 years. But still to this day, I'm finding new challenges, riding in new places and meeting new friends. Husqvarna Motorcycles is a brand steeped in history. The first bike was built in 1903, which makes the brand over 120 years old today. They help me live my life, whether hanging off the throttle, exploring, enjoying the view, or simply riding from A to B. My name is Lyndon Poskitt, and this is my life with Husqvarna.